get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. Slow it down, please tell yours if you want. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs, it's what makes it worth it.
Alright, so I got my tray. I spray painted it blue. My ashtray, I got glass ashtrays now. I don't spray paint those. I just put the image right in the inside, epoxy it. Here's my grinder, and then the jar. I wish I had different types of jars for the men. I usually do, but I don't have any more right now. So now I printed out my images. So I am going to cut them out. I cut my images out by hand. For some reason, the paper that I use, Cricut, will not cut it. For some reason, I don't know. But